Hello guys and welcome back po dito sa aking page. So for this video, we will be multiplying this expression using FOIL method. But first, what is FOIL method? FOIL stands for F, which is first, O is outside, I means inside, and L means last. So we have this expression, quantity 2x plus 5y multiplied by the quantity 5x minus 2y. So according to FOIL method, we will do F, which stands for first. So first is ito, 2x and 5x. So we will multiply 2x times 5x. So we will write it here, 2x times 5x. Next is O, which stands for outside. So the outside here is 2x and negative 2y. So you have to include the negative. So that's 2x times negative 2y. The next one is I, which stands for inside. So inside is in 5y at saka C, 5x. So let's write here 5y and then 5x. Okay, 5x. And then lastly, we have L, which stands for last, si 5y at saka si negative 2y. Okay, we will write it here. Let's say 5y and negative 2y. So now we will multiply each. So according to the properties of exponent, to multiply, kailangan yung i-multiply natin itong kanyang coefficient. So 2 times 5, that's 10. Then copy the variable x. And then that will be 1 there, may 1 din dyan. So if same yung kanyang variable, i-multiply natin siya, it will became and then we will multiply this expression. And then ang susunod natin na gagawin is i-multiply natin sila. For example, we have to multiply 2x times 5x. So, multiply natin muna yung coefficient. 2 times 5 is 10. So, let's write 10. And then, copy the variable kasi parehas lang sila. Ayan. So, copy natin dito ang x. Tapos, ang exponent ng both variable is 1 and 1. So, i-add lang natin sila. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, lagay natin dyan. Tapos, the next one, 2 times negative 2. So, magiging negative 4 yan. And then, as you can see, hindi po parehas yung variable. So, kakopy lang natin x and y. And then here, we have 5 times 5. That's positive 25. And then, as you can see, hindi rin parehas yung variable, y at saka x. So, copy lang natin. Of course, alphabetical yung paglagay natin. So, x times y. And dito, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Tapos, as you can see, same po yung kanyang variable. Copy lang natin. Tapos, again, may 1 dyan na exponent for both. We just have to add the exponent. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then, ikakopy lang po natin siya. So, basically, our final answer is 10x squared. Ito. Plus, yan siya si negative. Okay, 4xy. 4xy. Tapos, plus 25xy. Minus, kasi negative to, negative 10y squared. So, yung apat na yan, kakopy lang natin. And as you can see, meron po tayong magkaparehas dito na variable, si xy and xy. So, negative 4 plus 25 is positive 21. So, kung magkaparehas po yung kanyang variable dyan, you can add it together or subtract it. So, basically, our final answer will be 10x squared. Ito, copy lang natin siya. And then, the negative 4, ito, plus 25 is of course positive 21. So, 21, tapos copy lang natin yung variable xy, and then copy natin si negative 10y squared. So, we already have our final answer.